9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, Assalamualaikum, and this is our math presentation. And let me introduce myself first. My name is Nohidayatul Falahiyah binti Sharizan. My number matric is A21828853. And let's meet our group. First, we had Nabil, Tengku, Farah, and Rosmayani. Next, with our objective in this presentation to solve a variety of interest formula and calculate the payroll. Next, to analyze the problem that might happen in our daily life. Last but not least, framework to utilize calculation to analyze investment.
Assalamualaikum and hi to our lecturer Puan Nurul Izan binti Mak Daud. We want to present about assignment Business Mathematics AFT1103. Now I want to introduce my team members. Introduction about our company, Me and Me Corporation, that make a beautiful and simple awesome clothes. Me and Me Corporation was started the business in 21 May 2021 with the goals increase overall brand awareness. Our company is located in Lot Kedai 127, Taman Bendahara 16100, Pekalan Cepa, Kota Baru, Kelantan. The owner of the Me and Me Corporation is Muhammad Nabil Adwa, and our company type of business is a partnership. Next, we move to the list of employees' name and the department of the Me and Me Corporation. It has 10 people, which is for finance and accounting. We have Nur Fatin Nazatul Akmal binti Muhammad Ruzman and Farahani binti Muhammad Fairuz. For human resource, Rosmayani Nabila binti Yahya. Information Technology, Nur Hidayatul Falahiyah binti Shahrizan. Operation, Tunku Izul Zulkarnain bin Tengku Indra and Nuradila binti Jaiman. Research and Development, Makli. And the last one, we have Sales and Marketing, Karina binti Jeffrey.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Rosmayani Nabila binti Haya and my matric number is A218056. Today I will present about payroll report. This report was made on 30 May 2022 and the deadline was 25 June 2022. We have 10 employees, but I will show you example how to calculate the payroll. The first one for Muhammad Nabil Adwa was our employees at administration department. So Muhammad Nabil Adwa, hourly rate was RM 25 ringgit per hour, and then regular hour was 40 hour, while the overtime hour was 5 hour for this month. To calculate regular pay, hourly rate will be multiplied with the regular hour. So the total that Muhammad Nabil Adwa will get was RM 1,000 ringgit, and then overtime pay. To get this one, overtime hour will be multiplied with the overtime rate, that is for our overtime rate was 1.5. So 5 hours will be multiplied with the 1.5. So the total of overtime pay that Nabil will get was RM 187 and 50 cents. And then for the commission, the total sale will be multiplied with the commission rate. So for Nabil Adwa, you can see that how to calculate. RM 400 was the total sale that Nabil made, and then will be multiplied with 20%, that is commission rate. So the total that he will get was RM 48 ringgit. And the last one was piecework earning. For piecework earning, number of unit produced will be multiplied with rate per unit. So for this one, Nabil Adwa made this one. So we can see at the Farahani. From Farahani, we can see that 115 was number of unit that she produced, and then will be multiplied with the 1.5, that is rate per unit. So the total that she will get RM 2500 ringgit. So the last one, to calculate the gross pay, that the pay that the employees we got. To get this one, we will add all the pay that they got. So such example, regular pay will be add with overtime pay, and then will be add with commission pay, and the last one was piecework earning. So we can see at Nabil that from administration department, here we add regular pay that is 1,000 ringgit will be add with the overtime pay that is RM 187 and 50 cents, and then will be add with the commission pay that is RM48 ringgit, and if he have a peso earning will be at 2. So the total that Nabil get for this month was RM1235 and 50 ringgit. Also the rate for overtime was 1.5, and rate for the peso earning also 1.5.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fatina Zatul Akma binti Muhammad Uzman. Metric number A21A3397. Question 2. A. Description. On RM 20,000, loan from relative RM 30,000, interest rate 2.5%, time period 80 months, interest amount RM 1,125 for the facial value RM 1,125. Meanwhile, band XYZ RM 60,000, interest rate 3.5% compound semi-annually, time period 5 years, for interest amount RM 26,400, future value RM 18,400, total amount for amount RM 110,000, total for interest amount RM 27,525, total for the future value RM 170,525. The formula interest amount for a loan from relative is I equal to PRT. The formula future value for a loan from a relative is S equal to P bracket 1 plus RT. The formula interest amount for band XYZ is I equal to S minus P. The formula future value of band XYZ is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I power N. For the question 2B, promissory note RM 13,000, 21 May 2021. I promise to pay the loan of relative note Amira after 18 months after the date, which is 30,000 only, for a value received with interest at the rate of 2.5% per annum until paid. Due 13 November 2022 by Nur Fatina Zatul Akma binti Muhammad Rosman.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Farahani binti Muhammad Fairuz, and my matrix number A21A2462. Question 3. List of machinery, me and me cooperation, type of machinery, and cost of each machinery. First, furniture 5,000, internet connection 20,000, telephone system 3,000, computer software 24,000, and stationery 4,000. B. Based on the fixed cost of machinery, that company on table 2. We have used three formula: annual depreciation DT, accumulate depreciation DA, and book value at the end of the year. For annual depreciation, for period 1 to 5, we get RM 1,418, and next column accumulate depreciation for period 1, we get 1,418, and period 2 we get 2,916, and period 3 we get 4,414, and period 4 we get 5,920, and period 5 we get 7,400. And the last formula, book value at the end of the year. For period 1 we get 2,520, for period 2 we get 5,040, and period 3 we get 7,560, and period 4 we get 1,818, and period 5 we get 12,600. C. Company receive invoice for machinery cost. We have 5 types of machinery. First, furniture, invoice amount 5,220. On 30 March we get 4,854.60 cents, and 5 April we get 4,659. And next, internet connection, invoice amount 2,000. On 30 March we get 80,600, and 5 April we get 19,600. For telephone system, invoice 3,000. On 30 March we get 2,719, and for 5 April we get 2,815, and for computer software, invoice amount 24,000. For 30 March we get 22,320, and for 5 April we get 22,800. And lastly, stationery, invoice amount 4,000. For 30 March we get 3,720, and 5 April we get 3,800. Supplier A should receive RM 52,284.60 cents from our company if we paid the invoice on 30 March 2022, and RM 54,309 on 5 April 2022. That's all from me. Thank you.
Meanwhile, In the second month and the following month, there are some parts that have the same calculation and process as the first month. Among them, the monthly payment, interest paid, principal paid, and ending balance. The difference is in the beginning balance is that the number is taken from the ending balance of the first month. Total paid and total paid. The calculation method is that the monthly payment which be multiplied by the month period of to obtain the answer. As a result, Rn7436.14 multiply 2 equal to Rm14872.28. In total interest paid, the calculation method is the final total interest paid plus the current total interest paid to obtain the answer. The result is Rm4T2 plus Rm396.98 equal to Rm828.98. Similarly, the total principal paid. The method of calculation is the final total principal paid plus the current total principal paid to obtain the answer. The result is Rn7004.14 plus Rn7039.1C equal to Rm14043.3. Similarly, for the following month, the method of calculation continue until the 12th month.
So, from conclusion from the assignment, we are able to practice calculation in business operation, especially about payroll, employee salary for basic, overtime, and so on. And this subject was very helpful in our daily life because it will help our daily calculation become smoothly.